Across the world, nature performs its rarest magic. Waterfalls that don't just fall, they change color.
When light meets water, China's waterfalls glow with living rainbow colors.
After the rain, Canada's waterfalls turn pink, nature quietly changing colors.
In Croatia, waterfalls shift with the light, painting blue, green, and turquoise beauty.
For just a few moments, this American waterfall ignites, burning bright with nature's fire.
In Taiwan, this waterfall flows like gold. Minerals paint the water naturally, turning nature into liquid sunlight.
Nature never stops creating. If this amazed you, stay curious and keep exploring our world.